Valentine's is around the corner, guys, and I thought it would be an opportune time to make this flower box. It came out so cute. I love it. You're gonna love how easy it is to create this and how gorgeous and stunning it turns out. All right, guys, let's get started.
Easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wanna buy you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much.
So this is my inspiration for today's project.
I wanna say something clever.
These foam blocks, these are left over from my Christmas planter, and my pearl beads. And this is a set of 3 boxes that's already in the Tiffany blue that I got from Amazon. It actually came with the white ribbon, which really makes things nice. And then I have the studded ribbon, my glue gun. I'll be using the jewelry bead E6000. I have 2 dozen of these roses. I did choose one that looked a little bit more realistic, but also that are more closed buds as opposed to the open flowers. And then I'll also be using these pearl flatbacks. And then of course the rhinestone. Picker pen. And that will be everything I'll be using for this project. Okay, so for the first thing I'm going to do is cut these pieces so that they sit inside the box. Now I'm going to want them pretty high up because my rosebuds are smaller, so they don't span out as much. So we will cut this there. Okay, so see how this kind of curves? That kind of makes it weird on how it's gonna go in. So we're gonna cut it right at the tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of these before the curve starts so that it'll have a smoother, so it won't curve going inside the foam. We'll keep these because I use leaves for various projects, so they won't go to waste. So now we're gonna just put these in. I'm gonna start on the edges. I'm gonna kind of go at an angle.
'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my.
So for the lid, I'm going to create just the packaging. So I'm literally just going to glue it on each side.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. Many years have gone by, many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. The best thing I did, and I want you to know.
I'm going to drape those here. Now the reason why I don't want to go to the sides is because it's a square, it doesn't dangle right. So I do want it to drape pretty low. watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a lot of fun to make. It was super easy, and I love how it turned out. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye!